I already have it on. It's still dark. We have our lights on.
What color's my light?
Yours is pink.
Oh, I thought I had orange.
Oh yeah, yours is orange.
Okay, what color is yours?
Mine is green. We need the same colors on our motorcycles and our helmets.
What color is your helmet?
Mine is green.
What color is mommy's?
Yours is orange.
Okay.
We need the same ones.
Okay, but are you going to put yours on and not lock it underneath?
We need lock it on our...
Oh, thank you. Good job.
So they don't blow away.
They don't want to blow away because if we go really fast, huh?
Yeah, if we go like conscious, like... If you go that fast.
What fast? That was fast, Caleb.
Yeah, mine is super fast.
Super?
You can't go in my cart. It's super fast. It goes like... And it jumps over the animals. So they don't get smashed.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't want that to happen.
Because we can't step on the animals. You can walk over.
Where's the blue one? Oh, there he is. I found him. You see him? Where's he at? Is that the...
Mommy, you can put your feet on this,
Oh.
but not on the food.
Oh, not on the
This
food.
is not the food.
Where's the food at? Oh, yeah.
That's not the food.
Thank you.
Oh, that's the food. And we got chocolate cookies.
Ooh. Mmm.
Them are pink. And there's all of the colors chocolate cookies. There's pink and purple and blue and red and green.
Oh,
We
my.
need the same cookies as our jerseys.
Ooh, okay.
So I got the cookies are right there. Here's orange cookie for you.
Thank you. Mmm, those are my favorite.
I need to start going.
Okay, I'll see you soon then, right? What number are you again?
42.
What number am I?
You're 89.
Thank you.
You're 89. Mine goes super fast like...
Whoa, that was like...
Jumps over, babe.
Whoa, that's like lightning speed.
Yeah, I go lightning speed. You can't go in mine. It's super fast.
I have my helmet though. Can I go if I put my helmet on?
Yep, you could go in mine if you have your helmet on.
If I buckle it?
If you buckle your beepers to be like beep. It's yours. Now you can go in mine.
Okay.
And we can take pictures too.
Ooh, I would love to take pictures. Maybe some video too.
Yeah. We can do everything if we want to do.
Okay, what number are you again?
42.
What number is mommy?
80-90.
Oh, that's a nice number. That's a fast number. Are you in the front or am I in the front?
And I'm in the front because I'm the fastest.
Okay, what is...
I could go...
Okay, yeah, because we have to be safe.